Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys my body skincare routine that I use to help fade dark spots as well as reduce hyperpigmentation and get rid of razor bumps as well as ingrown hairs. So if you guys are interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So the first step of my skincare routine is going to be me using Nair hair removal. So I'm just going to apply a thick layer of the Nair onto my legs, and I'm going to leave it on for 8 minutes. I use the Nair on my legs and I use it on my arms, my armpit, and my bikini area. So I did let the hair on my legs grow out just for this video so I can show you guys my whole routine from beginning to end. So after I washed off the Nair, I like to go in with my body wash, which is the Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile soap, and I like to use the Peppermint one, which I also use as a shampoo as well. So after I washed off the body wash, I'm going to go ahead and scrub my legs. I'm going to be using this DIY sugar scrub, and this scrub has brown sugar, lime juice, turmeric oil, as well as lemon oil and tea tree oil. I'll go ahead and leave a list down in the description box, and then I also have a video on me making the scrub that will be coming out later on this week. So I'm just going to go in like a circular motion, and I use the scrub all over my body, and I use this scrub every time I get into the shower. So after I wash the scrub off of my body, I like to use a mask at least twice a week on my body. My favorite mask to use is the bentonite clay with apple cider vinegar. So I'll use this on my legs, and I'll use it on my armpit as well as my bikini area, and I'll do this twice a week. So normally I like to leave the mask on until it's completely dry, but if I don't have like that much time to wait, I'll wait for about at least 10 minutes before I wash it off. So after I wash off the clay mask, I'm going to go ahead and pat dry my skin with a towel, and then I'm going to go in with 10 Skin Solutions, and this has really helped to reduce ingrown hairs as well as razor bumps on my skin. And I've got this from Ulta Beauty. And what I do is I pour it onto a cotton ball, and then I'll just go ahead and use this all over. Basically anywhere I've used the Nair, I'll use it on my legs, my arms, my armpits, and my bikini area. And I'll do this at least once a day after I get out of the shower. So now at the end of my routine, I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my skin with this shea butter that I have mixed with other oils such as olive oil, coconut oil, and sweet almond oil, and a few other oils which I'll list down in the description box. But I also have a video coming out on how I make this shea butter mix as well, and that'll be coming out later this week. And that's the end of my routine, guys. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are being safe out there in these streets, and I really appreciate you guys supporting my channel. As you know, one of my videos just hit 1 million views. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. And thank you guys for subscribing, supporting, liking, sharing, commenting. And I just want to say I appreciate you guys so much. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Oh, also, this is kind of like a little update on my legs. So if you guys don't know, when I was younger, I got chicken pox and it left a whole bunch of dark spots all over my legs. So this is kind of like a little mini updates for those who watch my previous videos on my skincare routine. So I hope you guys enjoy. See ya.